Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I will be explaining the anterior pituitary gland and its hormones. The hormones produced by the anterior pituitary gland are the thyroid-stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, prolactin, luteinizing hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone, and the growth hormone. The thyroid-stimulating hormone targets our thyroid gland, and it is released by our exposure to cold, stress, or thyrotropin releasing hormone from our hypothalamus. After release, it stimulates growth and development of the thyroid gland and synthesis of the thyroid hormones. The adrenocorticotropic hormone comes from our adrenal gland, which is in our kidneys, technically the adrenal cortex. The stimulus for release for this hormone is the corticotropin releasing hormone, as well from our hypothalamus, and also stress. The effects after release are growth and development of the adrenal cortices and release of adrenal steroids and catecholamines. For prolactin, which comes from our mammary glands, which I couldn't pin exactly. The stimulus for release of prolactin is the prolactin releasing hormone from the hypothalamus in infant suckling at the nipple. After release, the development of mammary glands and milk production. The luteinizing hormone is released after the gonadotropin releasing hormone from the hypothalamus, and these come from our ovaries, or for males, the gonads. For women, development of gonads, production of estrogen and progesterone, also ovulation. For men, testosterone production and development of the gonads. For follicle stimulating hormone, this also comes from either female or male gonads. For right now I have a female, so the ovaries. This is the production of factors that bind and concentrate testosterone, and production of estrogen, maturation of ovarian follicles. And for the growth hormone, which can come from either the liver, adipose tissue, bone and cartilage, or muscle tissue, is stimulus for release is the growth hormone releasing hormone from the hypothalamus, stress or exercise, ingestion of protein, or fasting. The effects are gluconeogenesis, fat breakdown, protein breakdown, the production of insulin-like growth factor, which will stimulate cell division and protein synthesis.